guitars, musical instruments.
All my friends know the low rider. The low rider is a little higher. Low rider drives a little slower. Low rider is a real goer. Hey. Low rider.
You know how we do. We're back. Good morning, good morning, good morning. How y'all is living? Check this out. Check this out. Check it out. What's it all about? Guess what? I made it home alive yesterday, but check it out. I got a pretty sick little video here. I'm a race car, no, I'm just kidding, but I'm a race car driver. Oh, wrong one. Where did we go? Oh, trade. There we go. Look at this thing. Bah, 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 bah. There's me. Look at me. Can't really see it. Not very good to see there. But yeah, that's basically me. Just going through the desert. This is the actual video of the actual car. But yeah, that's what I did yesterday. When I was left the stream, we went racing. Well, desert. I don't even call it racing or just driving. Very cool, very cool, very cool. Well, looking here at the Nasdaq, what a move! Overnight, we had a big move up, or not a big move up. We had a little move up there. We broke 25,000, and look where we're at now, all the way back down here at the 24,600 area again. This is kind of where we started that breakout there on Sunday night. There is that gap here. We pulled back a little bit into it, but kind of looking bearish here. The fuck was that? Sky, you got your baby boy alarm? Got a clown alarm over there. There's a fucking clown alarm. More China and Trump talk last. All right. Good to see you. Emu Kimu. Yeah, I was the who watched the D Money show yesterday? Anybody watch the D Money show yesterday? Anybody watching the D Money show? What'd you think? What do we think, chat? The guy crushed it? Damn. Am I going to be out of a job here pretty soon? Oh, man. Oh, man. I'm going to have to... Look at this pump right now. Okay, Nasdaq, just keep on pumping, why don't you? Pump it to the moon right here. Little bull flag breakout there, 619s up there towards the 640s now. Okay. It's 9 o'clock. We had that same pump yesterday at 9 o'clock. Miguel said he likes my black chart better. Well, you know, I'm a man of the people. What can I say? I'm a man of the people. By the way, don't forget, Trade Prop, the biggest and the largest, partnering with the BDH, the official trading platform of Patrick Wieland and the BDH. Dun 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 dun. Ta-da! Big shout out, Trade. Right now, the Nasdaq ripping back up here. What the world is? Why can't they do this kind of stuff when the market's open? Why they gotta do it right now? 5-minute chart, we pulled back there below the 600s, pushed right back up. We got a pivot point right there. We got the VWAP there at the 722s. We'll see what happens here when market opens up. Just being patient and waiting, watching. Ooh, you gotta look at this thing just going right now. Just absolutely going. It's just going right now, isn't it? Look at that. Just see you later, Nasdaq. See you later. Right back up there to that pivot point for now. What are you guys looking at? Who's got what? What's the idea today? Where's my man? I need D money. I need that D money. Looking at the hourly chart. We'll look at the hourly chart like we're D money over here. All right, hourly chart. I like the fact that it's pushing back up here, you know. Right, there's not a big wick on the bottom of that candle yet, so I think D money would get short. D money. 4-hour chart. Oh Lord. Brand new we got a big wick on the bottom of that 4-hour chart. Hey PW, are you okay? Your voice doesn't sound okay. I'm not okay. I'm dying. It's just really dry out here. I'm from Florida, and we were out in the desert yesterday yelling and talking, racing around. If you guys didn't see, I'm pretty much like just like a full-time race car driver now, basically. Just like here I am, just driving around my race car. That's what it sounds like. Pretty much like I'm like Max Verstappen basically at this point. And look at check out my suit as well. Look at me. Oh my Lord. I was ready. He was ready. Full suit, don't care. These are the trucks that we were driving yesterday when they had the body panels on. There's basically, when I'm driving, there's a navigator in the truck, and he's telling me when there's turns coming up, or telling me where there's like hazards at, because you're driving so fast that you're just like, it's wild. It's like a hard feeling to explain because you're driving so fast that you're just, what you think you're going to hit, you've already hit, basically. Like you have to look so far down the road because you're going so fast and everything's just like going, like you could see like all these bushes and stuff, and then you're basically trying to like stay in that little track. It gets pretty wild. We definitely had we hit some bushes for sure. Good thing the bushes just kind of disintegrate when that big truck hits it. But yeah, it's a weird, because like everything is coming at you so fast. Where like, you know, on the highway, there's nothing really going right by you, but out there you're like really having to kind of pick the right line and figure out where to go. So I think my top speed yesterday was probably like around 80 miles an hour. I rode with the Navigator one time, and he did a little bit over 100 miles an hour. I think I could definitely get there. It's just kind of being used to. The truck itself just wants to go straight, right? It just wants to go straight and go through everything. So you got to kind of just like trust it. You got to trust that the truck is going to get you through the big bumps. No, I think my voice just cracked out from yesterday. Like I said, we're out in the desert racing around, talking, making moves. Big shout out to Demarius D-Money yesterday. His first live stream had like 12,000 views on it yesterday. Look at this. D-Money show. The D-Money show yesterday had 14,000 views. He's catching up to me. He's catching up to me already. First stream. So big shout out to D-Money. The goal is, man, we just want to put out the best content constantly right here live on YouTube with you guys. So if you're enjoying the streams, if you like what you're seeing, stick around, because it's only going to get better. So yeah, big shout out D-Money, and shout out to all the people that are out there watching, supporting the streams. It's only going to get better, you know? And that's like the thing. That was D-Money's first time solo live, and you know, it takes practice. You kind of get used to it after a while. He's only going to get better. So I'm excited to see where D-Money is in a few years. Chef Greg, how was the truck? The truck was good, man. Went real fast. PW and his brother from another mother. Ain't that the truth? D-Money. What's the top speed? Probably like 120 or so. I mean, going 80 miles an hour, like it doesn't seem that fast, but like going 80 miles an hour through the desert it gets to a point, you're just like, okay, you know, like, God take the wheel. God take the wheel, you know? Because the problem is, if there's any type of like, you know, any type of correction, if you make a little correction to adjust your line, well, that truck will start going sideways. It'll start like sliding sideways, and that's where it gets scary, because that's where you're gonna roll over. And rolling over at 80 miles an hour, just, you don't want to do that. I think it's a Dugan. It's like got like 450 horsepower. It's a spec truck. The one that we drove yesterday. It looked like a rough ride? No, not at all. It's honestly like, it's not rough at all. You're floating out there. Like you're out, like there's some movement, but yeah, like you don't hurt your back. It's like riding on clouds. Those shocks are so fucking tuned, man. All right. I mean, right now, obviously the trend is down, but we kind of maybe have this bottoming type formation here for now. We'll see what happens. 15-minute chart. It's kind of tricky because, like, what do? You go short right here and then look for the move down. We do have the gap above us. We got the VWAP there. probably just be a good day to at least wait for that first 5-minute opening range to see if we do get a big a break to the upside or to the downside there. So yeah, well, don't tell Victoria about her Raptor Bronco, okay, Norton? Don't do it. Does it have a cup holder? No, but it's got big balls holders. You got a place to put your balls at. Yeah, I mean, it is funny when you're driving the truck. There is a point where you're just like, you take your hands off the steering wheel and you're like, oh, we're going 80 miles an hour through the desert right now, and it doesn't even feel like it. But then there are moments where there's a big rock or there's something weird that you hit and you're like, ooh, we going fast. We going real fast. Kelly Kaufman, what's up? What's up? What's up? What's up? All right. Something. Some of this music's just like I need like less happy, more mean music. Where's the mean music at? Emu Kimu, where is D Money? I mean, dude, I'm not in Florida right now. D Money's in Florida. I'm in California. Don't worry. Everybody worried. Where's D Money? He's on his own show. Every day, 1:30 p.m. Eastern. Check out the D Money Show. KL Staley, all-wheel drive for the series, rear-wheel drive for practice. I mean, it's just easier to start out in the rear-wheel drive. The all-wheel drive truck's going to be easier to drive either way, so. What motorcycle do you have? No motorcycles. I like having a roll cage. I like having a roll cage. Roll cages are nice. What kind of truck do you have? I got all kinds of trucks. I got an F-250. I got a Raptor R. I got a Ford Bronco Raptor. I got another Ford Bronco. I got a trophy truck. I got an F-150 pre-runner. I got like 18 cars right now. I'm fucked up. What got you into cars? Honestly, probably just growing up being a redneck. I know, I gotta change I didn't change the camera for when the sun comes up. You can start to see, actually. You can start to see the mountains back there. It's so epic out here, man. You know, living in Florida, there's no scenery, right? There's no fucking hills, there's no mountains. But like out here, you look out the back and it's just this like mountain range. And I know it's like, for people who live in California, you're used to it. But when you live in Florida, all you see is billboards and condominiums and apartment buildings. So pretty cool to see. I actually saw yesterday when I was driving the trophy truck, I saw a coyote, which is pretty funny. I was going fucking ripping through the desert and then I saw a coyote run across the road. So we got plenty of time here. We're getting ready. We're getting ready. Wish there was a better way to show we're filming our whole trip out here will be filmed. We're going to Mexico. We'll be in Mexico next week. But yeah, it's fun, man. But when I'm not trading, I'm driving. Look at my little cute self. Little cutie. I'm so pretty. I'm so pretty. Feel so pretty. That's me. And then yeah, this is what it actually looks like from the outside. It's so fun. The track, or kind of the loop that we do there, it's like 25 miles. So you kind of just rip around this area out there and then back to the camp. But pretty cool, man. I'm pretty fired up. I've driven fast. Like, I've driven very, very fast in a lot of different cars. You know, I have, like, I've never done it in America, obviously, but I've been over 200 miles an hour. And, you know, there's nothing, going fast in a car is not comparable to what these trucks can do. Like, you have just an insane suspension. The trucks are just built to just go through anything. It's pretty wild. So I don't know. I'm in trouble because, you know, now I'm gonna go broke because now I gotta start racing, you know, and off-road racing is not cheap. Classic. And obviously I had to pick the most expensive, you know, way of doing it as well. So that's always also fun, you know. Can't make it easy on myself, obviously. Yeah, we'll still be fishing. We got the fishing season starting up here very soon. Basically December is when we start fishing for sailfish. We'll have December. January is just like non-stop fishing. So yeah, I know. I have a neck Hans device. The problem is the helmet that we had. It just had some issues yesterday, but I do have I have a Hans device, or I have actually have the one that straps in below your strap. Has like the straps, not the actual Hans, whatever you call it. All right, we got about 9 minutes here till market opens up. Right now, 15-minute chart we're looking at here. I mean, I think basically if we can't get back above that pivot point there, well, you know what happens next. We start selling off here, kind of looking like kind of got that trend line there. Do you do any special workouts for racing? Eat a lot of steak, have sex very often. You know, just the key to life, man. A lot of protein and having sex a lot. The secret to my workout training. Oh, da, 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 da. If we break 660, we're going up. Well, fucking A. We got Captain Motherfucking Obvious in the chat. We got Captain fucking Obvious in the chat. If we break, he said, if we break 660, we're going up. So just to let you see that we've been basically stuck there, you know, 660. So I like the idea though. It is. I mean, it's funny. Inverse head and shoulders. I do see it. You're not wrong. I'm not like overly bearish here, but gotta kind of get that confirmation first. Get that confirmation first. Why is the last $300 of an eval the most stressful? Fuck, man, you're telling me. Don't trust me. Wait till you're $300 away from a payout. You think being $300 away from passing an eval is stressful? Wait till you're $300 away on 20 accounts from getting a payout. Now that is when it gets fun. That's when you really start to see what you're made of. You gotta really learn what you're all about. Are you a man? Are you a whoa man? Can you handle the pressure? Can you handle the pressure, boy? Powell speaking today. Do you expect volatility? I expect volatility every day, my friend. There's not one day where I don't expect it. You seem tired. Well, it is a little early here. It's not even 6. Well, it is 6 a.m. Bonjour, Mademoiselle Pipi. Mademoiselle Pepe 34. Bonjour from French. Bonjour to you. You look good today, Pat. Thank you. Finally, some good comments. Finally, somebody has something good to say about me. You know, finally. I wake up in the morning and I'm self-conscious, okay? I'm self-conscious, people. I have a really large head and everybody makes fun of it, but I can't do anything about it. I went to the barber shop and I told him, I said, can you make my head look smaller? And they said, well, that head, we can't make it look smaller. He said, that boy puts the Planet and Planet Fitness, all right? That boy's putting Planet and Planet Fitness with that head. So right now, Nasdaq is gonna pulling back here, getting ready for market open. Patience, patience, patience. You wanna get paid, you gotta play. Well, you gotta be patient. Large head, big brain. I keep telling people that, but you know what people always tell me? They're like, well, you know what also has a big head? A retard. I'm like, that's fucked up, man. You can't use the R word anymore, okay? The R word has been banned on the internet. What's the bias? I think basically above 660, we got the VWAP, we've got the gap fill to the upside there. We've got kind of an inverted head and shoulders. If we start to sell down here, but I'd like to see obviously kind of break below 550 here, which is that higher low. And then we look to go for the overnight low. There's a pivot point down there. And then we're basically back down there to fill that gap from Sunday. So yeah, fill the gap from Sunday would be kind of the play here. Your boy did a great job yesterday. D-Money, I knew he would. Trust me. I never doubted it. There's a reason that I picked him. You think I would pick someone that I think wouldn't do a good job? Come on, chat. Have you taken delivery of your new boat yet? Not yet. Not yet. Where LS Carl is $1,300 away. You thought Ginger picked him? Well, she picked him, but I picked him. Okay, she might have picked him, but I picked him at the end of the day. I'm the boss. I'm the boss. We got 4 minutes here till market opens. Look at the mountains back there. It's so beautiful. Oh, it's green screen. You like my green screen? You guys like it? I got a fireplace. Look at that. Look at that. Look at that. Look at that. Will you look at that? Look at that. 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 I really should like do my hair in the morning or something, right? Like I don't even look at a mirror. That's how confident I am. That's how confident I am. I don't even look in a mirror in the morning. I probably should. What if I had like a big booger hanging out of my nose, you know? Ooh. All right. We're getting ready here for market open up. What's the temperature out there? It was like 55 degrees last night. It's pumping right now up there to the 640s. It's pumping. OG Ripper. I'll do the Asia and London. Uh-oh. Okay. Send me your resume, dog. Send me your res. 200 points up from here, Rat said. Okay. Well, we have just to kind of recap, we have the gap fill there where we closed at on, Monday, yesterday, previous day close. And we got the VWAP. VWAP right now, they're at the 720s. So let's see what happens. Which mountains are those? I don't know, man. I think they're the Swiss Alps. I think there's the Swiss Alps. This is the 5-minute chart we're looking at right now. 5-minute chart. So we had this higher low right here. I want to see us take out that low, put in a flag, and then try to get a move down if we're going to be bearish. If we're not going to be bearish, well, then I'm looking. See, the problem is like, I don't know if I'd want to get long right here because do we just push up just to sell down? I mean, the overall trend is down. So I think we just kind of got to look for the right opportunity here. Let's give it some a little bit of time. You got 1 minute till market opens. Getting tight either way. Are they going for a gap fill? Maybe. There is an inverted head and shoulders type of setup here, so we'll see what happens. Anything can happen. Anything can happen. Anything can happen. All right, 30 seconds till market open. 30 seconds. 30 seconds. Be scared. Be scared. Be scared. I mean, I think either way, even if we pump up here, it's like you can't just get long on the first pump in this downtrend, right? We got to wait for confirmation. So here we go. 5 seconds. 3, 2, and 1. Ding, 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 ding. The market is open. It's really, really open. All right, there's that pullback. Okay. Let's see what happens here at the 600 area. I want to see what this 1 minute, how this 1 minute candle closes there. Holding up there at the 600s now. I'm gonna try a short on that retest. Stop is at the high of those candles and try to get a move down through this low now. Go a little lower, I guess, now. Giving us some room here. Let's see where this 1 minute candle closes now. 5 seconds. I want it to close bearish. There we go. Now see if we can't roll through here. We gotta get through this 90 level. Just holding on here. Moving my target down a little bit more, risking this, just letting this play out. If it starts to sell down here, we're looking good. So we basically just want to keep that price below 630s. Shorting here, getting the move. All right, can we get through the 80s here next? Might just take it right there just to lock that in. Now it's gonna. That was still a nice little 30 pointer. I'll take it for now. Now she's gonna go. Took the 1 minute orb. Amen. If this pushes back up, gets stuck there at the 600 again, I might try another short. You're right, got out too fast. It's playing out pretty nicely on the 5 minute chart right now. I want to just get through this higher low first. That was kind of my original plan. Now we got the 5 minute range setting up here. So let's see if we can't get a little bit of a pushback up when this candle closes to get a better bear flag there, right? Kind of like we want to see this push back up 590s or something. It's right there at that key level now. Oh, ooh. Too much dippy dip. Trying to get some kind of like retest of this. Ooh, still going lower. Fucking A. Oh, Lord. Well, there you go. It's still dumping. We shorted there at the 609s, and that's about another 40 points for anybody who's counting. If you want to go ahead and count it out, well, look at it, it's still going. It's off the charts now. El Dumpo. All right, well, either way, we need some kind of like retest here. Who's still short from earlier? Oh, Lord. Someone said, honest question, why did I take profit? I mean, in hindsight, I look like a genius, right? I mean, in hindsight, I look like an idiot. But if the market would have bounced off that previous area, you know, then I'd look like a genius. So it is what it is. $24,500 about to go, it looks like. Fucking A. That's 100 points, by the way. Anybody who's counting now. That short there from the 609s down there to the 500s. Fucking A. Someone said 1 minute momentum is dying out. Well, it looks like it's picking up here. Looks like it's picking up now. All right, so that 5 minute chart doing exactly kind of what we were looking for. The 5 minute range, there was no candle on the top of that nothing, no wick. Look at those 2 5 minute candles, just dump, dump, dump. Wild. All right, we broke right through the 500s now. I think there'd have to be some kind of like retest here, especially on that 1 minute chart. We took out the overnight low now. It's been done to the downside there. All right, now we're looking for, I need a retest, right? Give me a retest. Give me something that makes me get excited here to get short again. Don't just get short just because. We already took out that overnight low. That was kind of the initial idea, right? We sell off, break this trend to the downside, got short there at the 600s, and now it'll push back up. So let the market do what it's gonna do. Have you ever used a trading journal? No, I'm not gay. All right, trying to get a little pushback up here. I want to try to short again. Just want some kind of like more pushback up here first. Letting that 15-minute range play out right now, giving it some room here. I think there will be a good short. Just got to be careful. It's kind of rolling again here. I kind of would like to see like a little bit of a trap back to the upside here, but sometimes you just don't get it. Where am I at right now? I'm out in the desert, man. I'm in the desert, man. Having trouble getting back above 500 there. So let's see what happens to this little candle right now. We have any news today? All right, I'm gonna FOMO into this short here now. See if we can't get a move down to the 440s there next quickly. Had that quick money there for a second. Give it a little bit more room. I'll just take it right there. Sometimes when you get that real easy money, it's just easier to take it, you know. Well, there she goes now. She's going lower. Down there the 30s now. The shorts are in control here. Like I said, another bear flag there to the downside now. That nice little getting stuck there, those EMAs. Still going lower. If you're still short, congratulations. That's awesome. Very nice. Very nice. All right, you can see that bear flag. We're filling that Sunday gap now. Well, we're trying to fill it, basically. That would put us down there to like 24,175s. Will D-Money return for the mornings? Right now, he's doing the afternoons. I'm in California right now, so D-Money's in Florida. The Bears are in control. You can see the 5-minute range, the break to the downside, another 5-minute candle to the downside, another candle down there to the downside. So down there to the 430s now. We got a pivot point down there at the 388s next. Our first short there at the 609s is printing right now. Fucking A, look at that thing. Still going lower, still going lower. Still going lower. Hey man, who would have thought making money would be this easy? Who would have thought making money would be this fucking easy? All right, so now we need kind of a setup here on that bigger time frame, right? Let this retrace that 15-minute candle some. I'll be waiting for like a good 5-minute setup here now. Give me a good 5-minute setup here now. If you guys haven't already hit that like button, subscribe button, do it, blow it up. Let's go. All right, who's let's do a little poll in the chat. Let's do a little poll. Who's green, who's red? Green, red. Green or red? You should not be fucking red, that's for sure. Only way you're red right now is if you did something real fucking stupid. Like tried to get long there this morning. That's the only way you're red. The only fucking way, chat. Let's see it, let's see it, let's see it. Let's see it, let's see it, let's see it. Let's see it, let's see it, let's see it. Ooh, 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 ooh. Oh. All right, we got 85% of the chat. Green on the day. That's better than popular standards in the market, if you think about it. 90% of day traders lose, but 85% of the people who watch PW live on YouTube make money. I mean, right now, it's, hey, someone said they're done for the day. Nothing wrong with that, right? Nothing wrong with that. You can see here, these Lucid accounts. We're up $1,400 just trading one contract per account, focusing on that consistency here with these direct to funded accounts. They are currently on sale. Use the code PW, Lucid Trading. And right now, being patient here, right? Be patient. Let's see what happens. I want that 5-minute candle to give us a better setup. Because if you look on the 5-minute chart, no reason to really get short here right now. Right? And that's the way I'm looking at it. 1-minute chart's trying to push back up here. This is a good time just to be patient. We could push back up, build out a bear flag. Someone goes, how do you just keep on winning? Honestly, the best way to win is to just take small profits. Don't get greedy. Don't get greedy, man. One-minute chart just got denied the 21 EMA. I want to see what happens to this next candle. Could be the next little short there, maybe. Could be your higher low there. I mean, your lower high. I want to see how this candle closes. Just don't want to short right into this first little candle down here. See, be careful. Kind of nice little denial there. I'm gonna try this short. Stop above that high there and see if we can't get a new low coming up here. Risk to reward, you know, just all it is, man. If it hits it real quick, I might just take it off at the 50s. Let me see. Let me see. It didn't do it real easy there. My risk is like the 519s above the high of this candle. And I don't like that close there. Yeah. She's coming back up there hard now. Look at that. Had to be more patient. What are the chances? What are the chances? All right, we're out. It's holding there above the 500s now, so just that was really just the fact that I needed to wait for that better 5-minute setup, right? That's all that was. It happens. Sometimes getting stopped out on the short can be a really good entry for the longs. Just took a little longy dongy there. So you can see that push back up there real strong. Back above, once we held above those 500, that's where I was looking to get out of that short. We were up like 15 points on that short for a minute. For one small minute. Someone said, bro faded himself. I mean, if you get stopped out on the short and it's looking like it wants to squeeze back up, it's okay to get long sometimes. Look, it's still going higher. That was just that 5-minute chart we should have been more patient on. We got 5 minutes until the 1 hour candle close. What would D-Money do? The old what would D-Money do? We got the VWAP there at the 650s. We got a pivot point there. So basically now, if we're going to break out to the upside, we could go for that gap fill from yesterday maybe. PW, do you feel like working with D-Money has made you more patient? No. Someone goes, hey, Patrick, when you leave the Airbnb, leave the keys on the table. You think this Airbnb has keys, you fucking peasant? You think this Airbnb has keys? What a retard. I mean, I don't know why anyone's trying to troll me right now because I'm at an Airbnb. Wow. Oh my God. He's at an Airbnb, everybody. Oh my God. Wow. Wow. He's so broke. He's at an Airbnb. Like, well, oh, is it bad to go to an Airbnb? I didn't know. I'm at no point have I said, hey guys, look at my new house. I'm in California for a week and I rented a house to stream and to stay in. And I didn't know that was like a bad thing to do. Yeah, why didn't I buy? I should have bought a house for 1 week. All right, so the 5-minute chart getting stuck there at the 21 EMA for now. And just try longs here. Ha 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 ha. I mean, it's kind of like flagging here a little bit. 2-minute chart right now. Why don't you say when you blow accounts? Hey everybody, I blew all my accounts. I have no money left. Please donate. All right, I'm gonna try this long right here with a stop below this. I kind of FOMO'd into this, but we'll see if we can't get up there through the 600s again. Towards that VWAP push. Might just even take it if we push 600s really quickly. Oh. Kind of was looking here at this flag type setup for this pushing off the middle of the opening range. Those EMAs supporting there on the 2-minute chart. The 1-minute chart were above those EMAs as well. We got the opening range high 640, VWAP 650 pivot point up there as well. So let's see if we can't get some momentum to the upside here. Looks like the ES is kind of already pushing to the upside there. Nasdaq's trying to push here, so I like it. Fucking Ruben. Why you got it? Why, Ruben? Like, why do you have to say that shit right now? It's so stupid. Hey, Ruben, in the future, like if I'm in a trade and I'm not short, don't fucking say shorts are coming, you know? Like just let me live my life, you know? God, like everybody, like I'm long, and Ruben's got to be. Shorts are coming. Okay. Thanks, Ruben. Good to know. Good to know, Ruben. Thank you for that. Ruben's so nice. Thank you, Ruben. All right, I took profit. Ruben said shorts are coming. Let's see what happens next. You're surprised I'm long, but like, why even say it? You know, like, you know I'm long right there. Just like, hold your peace, you know? Tell me later. Tell me later and be like, see, I knew it was a bad trade, Patrick. Don't tell me while I'm in the trade, you know? Don't tell me while I'm in the fucking trade. Oh, God. Just holding up there. We are up 2,400 across 5 Lucid directive funded accounts now. So, no, that's a good day. That's a good day. Ruben, if this goes higher, I'm gonna be pissed. You know that, right? I'm gonna be fucking pissed, Ruben. I am literally gonna break something. I'm gonna go over there and I'm gonna fucking bang the editor's head against the window. Yeah, 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 like Happy Gilmore. Yeah. Good morning to you. Fucking A, man. Look at this. God fucking damn it. Why do I read the chat? I should never read the chat ever. Don't read the chat, people. God fucking damn it. Fuck, 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 fuck. Fucking Ruben. Fucking Ruben. God fucking damn it, Ruben. I just think, like, hey, I'm all for people giving out ideas, but like, just like wait till I'm not in the fucking trade, you know? I was looking for 620s was my target there. It's fucked up. It's fucked up, man. That's some fucked up shit right there, Ruben. That's some fucked up shit, Ruben. That's some fucked up shit. Fucked up, Ruben. Everybody's fucked up. Oh, God. Why? Ruben shorting still. Whoa, what the fuck, Ruben? Bro, man. Ruben. Bro, that was my, if this hits 620, I'm gonna be so sad right now. I'm gonna cry myself to sleep. This is bullshit, Ruben. Oh. Wow. Wow. Ruben said all time frames are bearish, except for this one. Oh man, I would have gotten filled right there, man. I would have gotten filled right there, man. I would have gotten filled right there, Ruben. Ruben, 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 Ruben. Why'd I let Ruben do that? I'm just kidding. I like Ruben. He's a funny guy. He's a funny guy. He's a funny guy. All right, I like him. I'm just kidding. We're just having a little bit of comedy. A little bit of comedy here, chat. That's all. Just a little bit of comedy. By the way, Apex, 80% off, $85 PA fee right now going on. Use the code PW, the biggest, the largest. Big shout out to Trade Prop, the official trading platform of Patrick Wieland and the BDH. There's a link in the chat if you want to learn more. The premier partner platform of the BDH. If you want to trade with the biggest, you want to trade with the largest, there's only one platform out there that can handle me. There's only one that can handle me, and that's Trade Prop. Ruben. All right, Nasdaq 5-minute candle. We still haven't really had a good 5-minute setup there. The 2-minute chart did set up, right? 2-minute chart kind of set up there. We broke out, pushed up there to a high of 618.50 now. Ton, how much does it cost for that type of plug? $1 million. That's right. If you want to get shout out on the BDH live stream, just go ahead and send me $1 million worth of fart coin, and we'll make it happen. Big shout out. You know what's going to happen now? Ruben's going to come back in 2 minutes from now and be like, see, I told you guys. I told you it was a short. I told you. I already know it. Everybody already knows it. Everybody already knows it. Y'all, I already know it. I know for sure. Get ready. At any moment now, Ruben's going to tell us. I told you. I told you it was a short. I told you. I told you it was a short. I told you. I told you it was a short. All right, so that last 1 hour candle, big wick on the bottom. You had a wick on the top. They got a wick on the bottom of the candle right now, and all that wicks down there. I mean, honestly, we could just fucking end up chopping around here, you know? Could just be a fucking another shitty chop day here. After that big move down last Friday, you got to think it's still a battle, right? The bears and bulls are just kind of battling it out. Because, I mean, technically this move, you know, if it would have happened during market hours, that would have been a pretty good move to the downside there. But the fact that it happened overnight here, now we just probably chop around some more. Wieland, how much was your Airbnb? I don't know, man. $3,000 or $4,000 for 8 days. I don't look at the price. I don't even look at the price of things. I just buy it. All right. Big difference between me and you, chat. Or the guy in the chat who's worried about the price of my Airbnb. Am I now being trolled for renting an Airbnb? Is that the new thing now? Like, he's so poor. He had to rent an Airbnb. What a loser. what a loser. Fuck, it's getting tight here. Why are you so mad? Who the fuck look? Do I look mad? Do I look mad? I'm sitting in my Airbnb in Hawaii, in California, watching the market go higher while Ruben talks about shorting. Look at that. Fucking Ruben, man. Fucking Ruben. Ruben, where's your stop at? That's what I want to know. Ruben, where's your stop at? God fucking damn it, Ruben. Where's your stop at, Ruben? Tell me right now. Where is your stop? I want to know, because that's where I'm getting long and I'm putting my fucking target there. 680 is your stop? Okay, time to get long. Why is Ruben a perma bear? I don't know why he's a perma bear. I got long there earlier at the 575s. There's that push up there to the 633s now. I mean, now you just got to be kind of patient. We got to get up here, take out that 680 level, right where Ruben stops at. All right, well, we're right here at the VWAP now, so I can't really do much. I wouldn't want to get long right into the top of this range. So, just got to be patient. Getting real tight either way. Ruben's stop is at 680. The market has to go there now. It knows. The market makers know. Dude, the market, Ruben, get out now, bro. The market makers know where your stop is. They're coming for it. They're coming for it. We got the ES broke out of the 15-minute range already there. To the upside through the VWAP as well. Boo. I mean, the fact that the ES is already broken out of the 15-minute range here, you know, I'd have to think that it's the Nasdaq's going to follow and try to push back up here now. Look at that. We get through the VWAP, we get through this pivot, then we're going right to Ruben's target. Trading is not for the faint-hearted. No, it's for the strong-hearted. You have to wake up every morning and you have to know that there's a possibility that you might lose everything every day. Every day you might lose everything. Think about that. Think about that, chat. That's trading, man. That's trading. You know, the inches that we need are everywhere around us. The profits are in front of us. The losses are behind us. And if you think about it, it's all just one big circle, inside a circle, becoming the inner circle trader with a line through the circle to make a X. on Twitter. Basically. If you had a red day yesterday, just turn the page. Get your broker statement, get it printed out, and just turn the page. Turn the page, chat. Don't worry about that broker statement. Just turn the page, and what you can't see, you can't see. Think about that. I bet you don't think about that, do you? People be like, how many losses you got? I'm like, I don't look at them. If you don't look at how many losses you have, did you even realize the losses? No one's using their brain like me, you know? Everyone's trying to trade and make money, and I figured out the secret. Don't look at your losses. Never look at your losses. The same way that you know, if you're a day trader, you don't want to go to a funeral of a day trader because, you know, it's bad luck, man. You don't want to hear about another day trader getting taken out, man. You're like, I gotta believe that, you know, I'm never gonna get taken out here. Right now, the Nasdaq trying to push back up here right now is that 620 area. 640, the VWAP opening range high there as well. Someone said earlier that if we get above 660, we're gonna go higher. So, Ruben, you are about to get absolutely demolished here, my friend. Get ready. This market is going. I called the market makers. I said, hey, we got a live one. We got a live one. He's got a stop loss at the 680s. He's got a stop loss at the 680s. Get ready for it. Matt Kors is speaking out, Patrick. Out at what? What's he speaking out at? Not speaking out on me, I know that. He can go back and fuck some AMC shares some more. How about that? Go back and play with some AMC shares. I'm good on that, bro. Thank you very much. Ruben's chilling. He knows a massive drop is coming. Fuck. A massive? How big is a massive drop? Because if you think there's a massive drop coming, that means the market might be going up massive next. Get ready, chat. Ruben Burry. Ruben Burry in the chat. You know, hey, the thing about Michael Burry though is, well, you know, he was wrong for a long time. He had to hold for a long time. Uh-oh. Guys, I think it's gonna go. I think it's gonna go, chat. It's trying to go. Uh-oh, Ruben. Come out to play. Come out to play. Come out to play. I gotta put that song on. This is the market right now. Ruben stop loss. This is the market, and this is Ruben stop loss. That's the market, and this is Ruben's stop loss right now. This is Ruben's stop loss. Oh, fuck.
Warriors, come out to play. Warriors, come out to play. Warriors, come out to play. Warriors, come out to play.
Uh-oh.
Come out to play.
Uh-oh, Ruben. 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 The market has only went up since Ruben said it was a short. Since this level here, the market has only went up. Damn it. Why did I listen to Ruben? Hey, by the way, we're just messing around. Everybody loves Ruben around here. We're just having a good old time. It's fun, right? It's just locker room talk, you know? It's all good. It's all in good jokes. Nothing against Ruben. Nothing against him. But the market is about to fuck his stop loss real good. Fucking A, man. That's 100 points, Ruben. That's 100 fucking points, bro. That's 100 points, Ruben, from my initial long where you... Ruben, 100 points ago, Ruben said it was a short. 100 points ago, he said it was a short. Fucking A, man. God. Pour one out for Ruben's account. She gone. All right. R.I.P. baby. R.I.P. R.I.P. Now we're gonna reverse. Now the market's gonna crash down. Hey, should we wait. Ruben. I told you so. Oh! Ruben, I told you so. Finally, chat, I get to tell someone that I told them so. Oh man, that was good. That was good. Fucking A, man. Look at this thing going higher now. Ugh. All right, well, let's see. Fucking A. Now what do we do? Wait for a pullback, I guess. Someone said, "What, Ruben? What strategy was that so that I don't use it?" Oh man, don't be mean, chat. We all love Ruben. He's one of us. Hey, we've all had that day. Trust me, I've gotten stopped out. Everyone's done it, you know. Big shout out to Ruben for at least calling out the trade and sticking with it. So don't hate. Again, we've all had a losing trade. It happens. It's part of it. So just in the future, Ruben, let me know when you get short, all right? Just let me know so that way I know when to get long. Oh, I'm just kidding. Patrick, where would I buy at? I would like to see 650. I mean, it's you know, one of those things now where what if we just fucking start grinding higher here? Yeah, short now that it hit Ruben's stop, but not always a good plan either. There's a little bit of resistance coming up there, a 713, 715 area. We have done nothing but grind back up pretty much since we got back through the 15-minute range. Pretty wild. Still squeezing. Gotta wait for a pullback here now. We broke out of the 15-minute range, all that stuff happening. We're bullish, but better to be patient here. I mean, fuck. That long at the 575s earlier. Right when Ruben said it was a short, that was the best entry. That was the best entry. 570, it dipped right when Ruben said it was a short. It dipped down to 570 and then only went higher since. You gotta love that. How many contracts do you have? I trade minis, not micros. Nothing micro here, my friend. Still pushing higher. All right. Good time to be patient. Let this play out, you know, no rush. Wait for the pullbacks, look for the right opportunities, make some money. If you guys haven't already hit that like button, subscribe button, you know what to do. Blow it up. Blow it up. Blow it up. Blow it up. We got 772 likes. We got to get 1,000 likes here on the stream. Come on, chat. All right, so we're pulling back right here. ES and the Nasdaq pulling back. So you can see the ES needs a little bit of a, just kind of a pullback there, 5-minute chart. And then the Nasdaq, same idea. So maybe pull back here, 650s or so. Build out some flag. Is Ruben still short? No, he is not. The Elucid Pro consistency rule. Let me look. What is it? I don't think that there's not a consistency rule in the eval, but I think there might be a consistency rule in the other, in the once you're actually funded with them. One-minute chart pulled back, tapped into the 90 EMA so far. Is it done? Are we gonna go higher, or where do we go? ES pulled back. If we're gonna grind higher from here, then this might be your only spot to try it. Luke Brisson said, "Did I make any money today?" No, we don't make money here, sir. We're just here to figure out where Ruben's stop loss is. This whole entire stream is just made for Ruben to let us know where his stop loss is, so then we can tell the market makers. And then the market makers take it out. Kind of holding up here for now. If we get back above that 710 level, we do have some room to the upside there. Getting real tight. Holding there at the 9, so kind of like back above this 2-minute candle high, 706s could start to push up again. D-Money killing it yesterday. D-Money will be back. Well, he won't be back. He will be back. Today, 1:30 p.m. Eastern, D-Money back on the BDH stream there for the D-Money show. Tune in, watch it. There's that little breakout. I'll take a quick 10 points right there. 703 up there to the 12s. Right now we're up 2,800 in these 5 accounts with Lucid Trading. These are the direct funded accounts. So if you haven't checked out Lucid, check them out. D-Money live at 1:30 p.m. Eastern every day this week. So tune in, check it out, see what it's all about. Getting tight here again. To get through that 720s, you've got like 750, 760 to the upside there next. The 1-minute chart is riding that 9 EMA right now, that blue line. $720 resistance for now. Will they pop it up there? Oh yeah. Oh yeah, they will. Oh yeah. I'm gonna file a claim against Ruben. He made me not make more money today. I could have made way more money, but Ruben told me it was a short, so then I didn't. I got out of my long. Damn you, Ruben. Damn you. It's my money and I want it now. JG Wentworth. All right, Nasdaq up here at the 720s. They push it through here. Do they ramp it a little bit more? Can they ramp it up a little bit more? Oh, they think they can. They're getting a real tight bull flag in here. Push up there, 750s, 760s next. There she goes. Like I said, looking for that breakout through the 710s and now up there to the 730s. Let's go. Big shout out to Trade Prop, the official trading platform of Patrick Wieland and the BDH. If you want to trade with the biggest, you want to trade with the largest, you know where to go. It's Trade at the BDH. Well, right now we in the West Coast. We in the West Coast. Feeling the West Coast vibes. It was fucking cold here last night. Out here in the desert, it got down like in the 50s. And it's like really windy. Fuck, it was freezing. Freezing. Absolutely freezing. How do you like that chair? I like my other chair more. This one's like too much, too much, too much. Did you use a fireplace? Yeah, bro. Look, right there. It's on. Burning right now. Look at it. Desert's cold at night and hot in the afternoon. Something like that. Get a black light. Get a black light and go stop hunting. Dude, I'm going bald up top, man. Gotta cut all my hair off here soon enough. Going bald. It's too late for me. Too late. Especially now, I'm just gonna be out there just racing around the desert. My hair is gonna really be bald. Look at me. I'm gonna be bald. Nah, I feel like getting a hair transplant is pretty gay. So, nothing against being gay, but I'm not gay, so I'm not gonna get a hair transplant. The Nasdaq has done nothing but go higher since that fucking 570 area, Ruben. All right, I'm up $3,000 on the day right now. Up $3,000 across 5 accounts. If you do the math, I think that is that's 15,000. So maybe it's a good time to be patient. Bad day for me, I know. It's a bad day. It's a bad day. Bad day to be a bad. It's a bad day to have a bad day, if you know what I mean. You know what I mean, chat? Bad day to have a bad day. Anyone ever feel that way? I do. I do. I do. Watching the Nasdaq here, just kind of grinding back up here. It's hard to get long when I had the perfect entry for a long, and Ruben scared me. He scared me, Chad. He said he was gonna be a short. Scared me, Chad. All right, Nasdaq up here at the highs now, 730 area. ES kind of pushed up through the high, pulled back. Nasdaq's doing the same now. Maybe we get a bit of a pullback here, retracement possible. So let's see. All right, we're going into the 11 o'clock hour. The 11 o'clock hour. What would D-Money do? What would D-Money do if D-Money was here? Anybody know? I don't know. D-Money, 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 D-Money. He got the money, the D-Money. D-Money, 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 D-Money. He got the money, money, money. He's the money, money man. D-Money man. D-Money man. All right, well, Nasdaq continuing to push up here. Continuing. Does D-Money trade outside of stream? Probably. He's his own man. He can do what he wants. Should we start pulling back here? Yeah, we need to kind of pull back. I'd say still pull back the 650 area. See what happens after the 11 o'clock hour candle opens. Looks like they probably try to lose that 700 level. We got the VWAP down there, 650 area. So if the bulls lose the 700s here, could start water falling down there, especially here at 1050 to 11. Let's see. The white line is the VWAP. Shorts just basically want to get it down below that 700 level here. It should start to kind of crater through there. Lose that 700. Trying to break through the 700s right there. Just keep on grinding it on down here. There we go. We're losing that 700 level down there to the 90s now. VWAP, pivot point, 650 area. She's rolling. There we go. Look at that bear flag playing out there beautifully below the 700s now. Oh, yeah. little bit of support there at the 670s for now. Just a little retest of those EMAs. Oh, look at these. Wait, look at these, chat. Look at these. Look at these. Shorted this little push back up into those EMAs right above 700. 703's got a nice little 20-point quick little move down and locked in like another 2,000 across the board. So we're up 5,000 across 5 accounts. So that's like 25 grand now. Like I said, looking for those shorts below the 700s. We push back up into those EMAs, and there's the move. I mean, I'll take it. Give me 24 points. These are funded accounts, Lucid, direct to traded accounts right over there. You can see. Ruben did the same short. Fuck, don't tell me that now, Ruben. Don't tell me that now. Don't tell me now. Someone said, do I still trade the live account? I don't trade it when I'm on vacation and stuff, just because I'm not fully locked in trading. You know, this ain't like my bread and butter. But still doing the lives with you guys. I think this still probably rolls down a little bit more. Could get down there to that 650s or so. If you guys have not already hit the like button, subscribe button, we got 924 likes. Come on now. How many contracts do I trade with the Lucid? Normally like 1 to 2, 2 to 3 contracts maybe, depends on the moves. Still just kind of holding up there now. Look at the 5-minute chart. At 11 o'clock, this could be the fucking next push. D-Money would like to see the pullback, what? Put a wick in. Got that hourly candle about to close here. Daddy Powell is speaking. The Lucid Direct accounts, how do they work? Very simple. You sign up, you start trading, they're direct to funded. So every trade you take is working towards a profit target. Yeah, they kind of look like they want to squeeze this back up now. Looking here at the 3-minute chart, the 5-minute chart. 5-minute chart trying to push back up here. If this 5-minute candle closes pretty bullish, I kind of want to see like maybe one more retest of this 80 area on that 5-minute candle. 1-minute chart just broke out straight up like that. Jay Powell speaks in 30 minutes. Oh, Lord. Anything's possible. Anything can happen. Anything can happen. Still pushing. Man, she going, huh? She going here. All right, let's see. There's no wick on the bottom of that hourly candle right now. D-Money, where do I do? Five-minute candle just breaking out there. Still pushing. Oh, buddy. Up there to the 730s again. Pivot point all the way up there, 24,800s. Doesn't look like it wants to slow down here anytime soon. There's the pop through the 40s now. Yeah, really that 800 level just kind of looks like the next logical area, right? Now we had some resistance there overnight. We got a pivot point right there. We're at 50% of the opening range now. So 50%. So ding, ding, ding. The next level is like right up here to the 800s. Look at this thing ripping now. Let's go. She's a ripper. She's a ripper. All right, the Nasdaq made new highs. ES made new highs. We push up there 760s now. Will this be kind of the spot to pull back here? Now. They get up there through the 760s, looking at that 800 level next. Kind of pulling back into that previous area of resistance there, 740. See if it's going to build out a bit of a flag here. Looking at the 2-minute chart right now. The high is 68. I think if we get through that 60 area one more time, we probably get 20, 30 points to the upside there. But it's got to get through 60s again. Pulling back hard here now. So now we just got to wait for something to like put in a wick on the bottom there, right? Wait for that 2-minute chart to look good, at least. I find the 2-minute chart sometimes can really save you from trying to get in there crazy at the top. Let that 2-minute chart. I'm gonna go pee pee. Still nothing really good, like no like real good bounce here yet, so could still go lower. Getting stuck there at the 730s now. Kind of holding it right here. This 2-minute chart looking like a little bit of a bear flag. That candle keeps closing below the previous wick, or it keeps pulling back below that previous wick there. If they get it back above 730, that might be the spot to get long, but right now getting stuck there below 730. The bears are gonna kind of protect themselves there, and then back above 730 could start to push back up. Holding on here. There we go to the downside now. If we lose that 700 support, could maybe get that move back down there to the VWAP, kind of over exaggerate that move back down, but Just consolidating right here, 720s now. This is the 2-minute chart we're looking at right now. 2-minute chart. They're having trouble getting it back above 730s there. I feel like as long as they keep it below 730, it'll probably drift lower, but this 2-minute candle about to close in 30 seconds. Powell speaking at 12:20. Oh, Lord. We're not really selling. We're not really doing anything. We're just kind of drifting back down here. I would like to see some, like, you know, wick on the bottom of those 2-minute candles to start maybe thinking about the longs if we're going to push higher. But the fact that we're not really doing much here is just kind of like no point in doing any. The fact that we're not doing anything is the point in not do nothing. So trying to get it down there below the 700s. See, like they really can't get it out of here for now, so that makes me kind of still think there's room to the upside. ES is kind of holding up. The Nasdaq's holding up here. The battle is real right here. The battle is real. Look at this thing. It's just holding there. 700s now. Swiping those lows there again. All right, let's see what happens here. We're just kind of probably, we might just go sideways until Powell starts speaking. Possibility always. D-Money is going to be streaming at 1:30 Eastern, 1:30 p.m. Eastern. Oh, there they go, pumping it back up there again. I possibly like longs coming up here, so let's see. Five-minute candle pushing back up. 720, 730s here. If you look at the 2-minute chart, it's starting to curl back up here, right? We're trying to get through that 720 area. Maybe we're building out a head and shoulders type move here. See if we push up here a little bit higher. Trying to push back up here. That 30 area. Need to break through that 30, like 30, to show that strength there, huh? You can see kind of that head and shoulders playing out right now. Let's see if that's gonna push us back down. We need some strength to basically break through that. $15-minute chart, 5-minute chart. Can she go higher from here? ES is at 666. Oh my God, the ES is at the devil's number. It's the devil's number, chat. Well, Nasdaq pulling back here again. Head and shoulders playing out here now. Chop Chop City. Market's just chopping around here. We haven't really haven't really made a move out of this level now since 10 o'clock. Took a little push to the upside, kind of trapped some bears, trapped some bulls. Now who's getting trapped? The bears, the bulls is the question. Got Jay Powell speaking here later on, 12 o'clock or so. When Daddy Powell speaks, the market moves. All right, Nasdaq just stuck here, 24,700 for now. We got the view off to the downside. We got that pivot point down there as well, 650 area. New 5-minute candle opening. Man, they are really just holding it up here, aren't they? Just waiting for something good to happen. We're in this range right now. I got to get out of this range. This 5-minute chart right now, this is not where you want to be trading. Bum, 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 bum. Do a house tour. This is it. This is the house. Oh, man. All right, well, Nasdaq going nowhere quickly, just sitting there. Ryan Morossi, how was the truck yesterday? It was sick, man. Fucking just getting it in, baby, getting it in. Nasdaq's going nowhere, sitting here for now. Getting real tight. I mean, it's fucking something's gonna happen. They're waiting for Powell to speak, I guess. So market just holding this level here, 700s. Can't dip below it, can't get above it. Just hold and hold and gonna keep on holding, holding. Gonna keep on holding, holding. They keep teasing the idea of maybe breaking out here, but Maybe we get it. Up there through the 30s now. Straight to the 40s there next. There's the breakout. Breakout is real, I guess. All right, Nasdaq pushing up here now. We broke out there on, I was looking at the 1 minute chart. Squeezed straight up there, didn't it? Like I said, basically getting back above that 730 area. We got above those highs. The breakout now up there to the 760, still going higher. This market is wild and crazy, my friends. It's wild, it's crazy. They did not take that little high there, though. And the next level is that pivot point to the upside there. Is there more in the tank here? That last 5 minute candle got denied right here. So if they get through the 760s, you got like pretty much like up into this level pretty quickly, probably. Unless they just chop it here before Powell starts speaking. Just to stay in the range a little longer. Yep. Looks like they're gonna do that. Wow. The Powell range has been set. The market makers said we go no higher than 760 until Powell speaks. Daddy Powell must speak before market go higher. Wild. Look at that. Phew. Nasdaq right back down here again. Okie dokie. Well, looks like 760 is going to be the major resistance here for now. Just chopping. We got Powell speaking, the Nasdaq moving here now. Some volatility coming in here. Lots of chop here at this level now. So we got Powell speaking. Be careful, my friends. Be careful. Good spot to get chopped up here. Get long, get short, lose both ways. Ripping. These are ripping. There's the 760s again. Daddy Powell said something bullish. Daddy Powell said something bullish, chat. Oh, Lord. 800s are coming up there. There's my little box that we just talked about. My little box. The market just hit my little box. The market makers know. You got that pivot point up there above 800. The 800 level, obviously kind of a key level now to see what happens if we can push through there. If you look on the bigger time frames, there's some resistance there right at the 800s. But right now, breaking out to the upside here. So all day longs, all day long, longs, all day, all day, all day. All day, all day, all day, all day. All day, all day, all day. Kind of just makes sense now to get through the 800 level. Just to squeeze out the shorts here. Watching the 800 break out here. There's a pivot point right there at the 810s. There's 800s now. Still pushing. Still pushing. Don't forget, later on, 1:30 p.m. Eastern, D-Money will be live at the BDH. If you don't get enough of me, well, you can tune in to BDH Network live Monday through Friday in the morning and in the afternoon now. That's right, that's right, that's right. All right, they're right there at the 800s now. Will they push through a little bit more? Try to get that trend line, or that pivot point there at the 811s next. Got right up there to a high of 803 now. You got the gap fill, puts us back up there 922 from yesterday's close. So if this thing starts to push, it could fill that gap. So that dotted line is yesterday's close, right? It looks like it's far away now, but you know how that goes. If Powell starts talking, don't come a knocking. There's that little bit of resistance there on that hourly candle up there at the 811s now. There's that 800 follow through now, pushed up there. 805 is trying to go, so ding, 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 ding. That's all I got. That's all I got. Goldfinger said, Patrick, I remember you saying you would not be surprised if we hit new highs this week. I mean, I wouldn't be surprised. I would not be surprised, that's for sure. Anything's possible, really. Anything can happen. You know, anything can. Anything, chat, anything. All right, we're right there at that pivot point now. Patrick, where are you? I'm in an Airbnb in California. I got to get ready to get out of here, actually. So that's it. That's all I got, man. We did it live at the BDH. Lucid, 35% off. Use the Lucid website link somewhere in the chat. Check out Lucid. Use the code PW for the best deals. And market's still going higher. We had a really good long entry all the way down there at the 570s this morning. Now up there to the 810s. So what a time to be alive here. If you guys haven't already hit that like button, subscribe button, help me out. Blow up the like button, blow up the subscribe button. Let's make some magic. And remember, later on today, the man, the myth, the legend, D-Money, he will be live at the BDH. So come hang out, check him out. Nasdaq still pushing. She's still going. She's still going. 816s now. She said, we ain't scared of nothing. Powell said, we gonna go higher and higher and higher. So there it is. I'll talk to you all later on. Peace to the Middle East.